Just had the Jesus scared out of me. This just happened. Yeah, I'm sitting on the tire. Might be able to hear that air leaking from that blown apart airbag. That thing just said, with it. Boom! Scared that crap right out of me. That one's up. Oh, there's up. Oh, man. Jesus. I'm on tires.